Bim, ang pogi ni Papa
Ba't
Jack
may
mo,
filter?
mana ka. Walang filter.
May filter, oh.
Wala.
Okay. Whatever you say.
Ay, ang dami kong tigyawa to. You wanna eat chicken?
Diba there's, high five nga? What's the other word for high five?
Appear.
Appear. Di ba pinsan yan ng mansanas? Cause it's a pear.
Ilagay ko dito ah.
Yes, please. Thank you. Ano ba mga bala ko kanina?
Knock knock.
Wala na, hala. I need more bala po. Joker si Bim. Knock-knock na yan.
Come back to me. Come back to me, knock knock. Come back to me. Uy,
Kulit mo kanina, Bim. Of course.
come back to me. Wala, dead ma.
Ha? Dry ng lips ko. Hindi ako nag-lip balm.
Masyadong chika, speaker.
I had a good day today.
And that's you.
I had a good day today.
Ako, kakain ako ng marami ngayon.
Oh, I had a good day today.
Hindi ka pa makain buong araw eh.
Hindi. Ako I just made, kulit the writers lang. Kanta ka ba bukas? I don't know. Let's see.
It's for you to find out.
Pahingi ilong pops.
See, it's natural, di ba?
Yeah, in fairness naman, what's your fan,
Dabber Cats, di.
Even when he was, 250 ka.
Uy!
Na,
200
most.
lang.
Most.
Ka na,
250. O yan. When Papa Jack was 250 pounds, imagine mo, not super big, a bit hefty.
Pero pogi.
Pero sobrang tangos ng ilong niya.
Pero pogi.
That's the Salvador side. What made my day good? I hung out with, with Yul today. Because he's always in barangay eh. Yeah, I hung out with him today.
And pinaglaruan po ako ni Bim ngayon.
Oo. Paano na? Tandem kami today, tandem. Ako si Batman, siya si Superman.
Ako si Wonder Woman.
Kasi tandem kami for the, Gimme 5. It was one section me and Yul, and then the other section was Singing Queens. Yeah. So mga hindi na, me?
Papa Jack, pasuyo. Nakanina.
Sa mga people who don't know, Yul such a good guy. Good guy talaga. Pusong Pinoy talaga, si brother.
Bagay kami siya.
Papa Jack.
Joke lang.
Relax.
Joke lang. You're making bako daw kanina.
Oh, no.
Hindi.
I was just leaning.
Ano po yun? Talagang yun yung pagiging sweet ni Bim. Kahit kanina naman, sweet naman siya eh. Pero siya na po ngayon yung bagong kasama sa 7 Wonders of the World.
Tsaka I think Yul is, happy also na we're similar in age eh. Paano si Yul? 20-something?
Not sure.
24. So like 5-year age
Kasama
gap
ka
lang.
sa alam mo kasama ka sa 7 Wonders of the World?
Why?
Ikaw yung Great Wall of Bimbi. Joke lang.
No, he's a
Joke.
very good guy. 27 si Yul. Yeah, so 10 years. Like isa kuya.
Tsaka si tropa mo si Rowell, di ba?
Oo. Hello, Kyla. Hi.
Oo. Masyadong chika, walang sticker.
Opo, para Papa Jack is happy. Ang fresh Bim. Yeah, walang filter. Walang filter.
Thank you, team. Gusto mo may filter? Kaya ko naman.
What's kiss? It's like that
Very
lang
nice.
pala.
Para sunog na, pero hindi pa.
Hindi pa naman.
Sino ang manager mo, Bimbi? Ako road manager.
For 13 years.
You would like to thank
Jack Salvador for being my constant companion through this very, very, very interesting journey.
No. I-edit niyo yan, ha? Charot.
Oh,
I-mentality niyo yan. Charot.
Great Wall of Bimbi. Why may Great Wall?
Hindi niya po binabakuran. It's just that sweet lang siya. Wag muna tayo mag-accept. Pengin mo na stickers.
Ba't ang gwapo mo, Bimbi? Why am I so gwapo? I was born this way. I'm just joking. Tulog po. Tulog. Sleep, sleep,
Kaya
and
pala
sleep.
wala akong tulog, so I need to sleep. Pero sana may magkapadala ng stickers pa.
Bim, please don't, I will never.
Oh, stickers, thank you. Nakita mo minsan may mga magbabagsak dyan yung malalaking stickers yung gagalaw. I-shoutout natin yun.
Are you happy in Bulaga? Of course I'm happy. How could I not be? I'm working with very, very good people who are genuine. Opo. Walang
Oh, thank you!
Oh, thank you. Very, very, I don't know what that is. Pero thank you. So ano nga ulit? I'm working with very, very good people na hindi peke. Na they're real genuine people who, who truly love one another. Pamilya eh. They're like a family talaga. And I'm very, very glad that I was a part of that family.
May bago pong kantang lalabas si Bimbi, abangan nyo. Ang title, Huling El Bimbi.
Nakailang ganyan ka na.
Wala na akong maisip.
Oh! Ang galing! Wait, it might be sunog na. May lechon.
Oh, may tumawa pa naman sa Huling El Bimbi. Grabe naman kayo sa akin. Oh, sige, hindi Huling El Bimbi, ano na lang. Ano?
And imagine nyo po, Bulaga has been on for 47 years.
And you were part of the 47th.
And I was part. So it's a very big honor po na ganyan talaga. Happy birthday, Jelly! Happy birthday.
Si Bim hindi,
Hey!
si Bim hindi po kumain, binigay sa akin yung food niya. Sweet. Tapos ngayon pala siya kakain.
Ride Bim Official, shout out. Mimbi, how Raisa? Raisa's okay. She had a bit of a cough today.
May sakit siya kapong pa yata or the other
Yeah.
day.
Under the weather, alam mo naman.